Dai are a people closely associated with water. Large-scale water splashing festivals are staged every June 6th, New Year's Day in the Dai calendar. Passion and excitement abound during this grand festival. The first day of the festival is called Sangkan Day, literally the day to bid farewell to the past. Old men make vows before Buddha. They pray for prosperity and peace for their children. Young men pick fresh flowers from the mountains and offer them around the water dragon pavilion while making wishes. Others queue up to pour water from their bamboo into troughs beside the pavilion, which is a symbolic bath for the Buddha. People strive to gather water that trickles from the Buddha statue into bamboo containers. Some drink it, while others wash their face or hands with it in order to be blessed. During the water splashing festival, each household will take turns treating their neighbors to feasts. During this time, women never eat at the table, and girls and women must dress themselves up before they go out. In some areas, dragon boat races are also to be staged. Competitors come from villages along the Lancang River, such as Jinhong and Ganlaba. Each boat has 20 strong men as rowers, and in recent years, Dai girls have also joined in. The last day of the Water Splashing Festival is known as the King of Days, and it is the first day of the new year. Legend has it that once upon a time, there was a ferocious devil who brought deep afflictions to the people. The devil kidnapped 7 girls to be his wife. His 7th wife befuddled him with rice wine and strangled him with his own hair. But the moment the devil's head fell to the ground, fire flared up. Picked the head up and the fire went out. The girls were forced to take turns to hold the devil's head once a year. At the day shift, the Dai people welcome their brave daughter with clean water to drive away her fatigue and wash away the dirt. From then on, the Dai people have had their own festival, the Water Splashing Festival. The clear water is the symbol of sanctity. It is splashed on relatives and guests with well wishes and blessings.